Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to modify the font within Microsoft Teams. Customizing your interface makes your messages more distinct and easier to read. To begin, launch your web browser and visit the official Microsoft Teams site. You will need to log in with your account credentials. If you aren't automatically signed in, simply click the Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Once you have logged in, navigate to the chat area, which you can find in the sidebar or main menu depending on your layout. Select the specific conversation you wish to edit, whether it is a private message with a colleague or a group project. At the bottom of the screen where you normally type, click on the plus icon to access additional tools. From there, select the Show Formatting Options feature. This will expand your message box to reveal various styling tools like bold, italics, and font settings. Now, enter your message as usual, but wait before sending it. To adjust the style, double-click the text to highlight the specific words you want to change. Next, click on the font icon, which typically appears as a letter, A, or T, to view the available styles. A drop-down menu will appear where you can select your preferred font and size to balance style with readability. This is an easy way to personalize your team's experience. Feel free to test different looks to find what suits you best. Enjoy your new customized chat.